In a world where innovation defines the future, Rever Digital Twins transforms traditional industries by proposing innovative solutions that eliminate limitations and open new possibilities in safety and efficiency. Our digital twin technology takes digitalization to the next level, enabling precise and safe inspections in high-risk environments, from underground mining to hard-to-access critical infrastructures. Through our strategic partnerships with Botics and Flyability, we are redefining and pushing the boundaries of what's possible to optimize operations, minimize risks, and ensure that industrial safety is never an obstacle in high-risk operations. By digitalizing industrial environments, we achieve efficiency and precision in decision-making. We are committed to continuous research and development. Our mission is to keep pushing the limits of what's possible to build a safer and more efficient future. With a strong digital foundation, we protect the present and build the future. Join the digital transformation with Rever and take industrial safety to the next level.